Mama na ada mo. Dek. Mo nsua de ni binka mo. President mama ontimi anya hwe. We o see you why near mama educate no. O see you work money kwaku ni kom si de. O nsua mra wo. Money kwaku. Da bia mo so di matem. Enso ni tiri hwe nim. Mra wo nsua. Kwaku mama educate you. O see the people can amend the constitution. Which people? Which people? If it's a chapter 8, you know. As Article 66 one, a entrenched provision. And as obey amendment of entrenched provision. Yanka Article 90. Was it entrenched provision? 92. A bill of amendment of entrenched provision shall, before Parliament proceeds to consider it, be referred by the Speaker to the Council of State. So the bottom line, the long and short, ontimi amendation.
Oni hu to me bia. Oni hu to me bia.
Ontimi amendation. Engobi?
Oni to me bia.
Oni to me mo bia nada no. Etimo e ma na muti dwom no aye dada mo se mo meka se dwomama betini a standing ho awan. The bottom line is that Jomama cannot amend anything or amend the Ghana constitution. No, because the president will bet me a 3 terms. Or no one would enjoy. The Baba next never enjoy. Asa. Your crown, you be a professor and combine one straight term of 7 years. Who we are near my baba. Because you're going to say we are number 28 years, 8 years. It's got more one free so many panel. No about one 7 years developing. Now I'm more from so church.
Papa.
Amemo fun. Church. Ebia ne die hu yi. Se we ne manfo na nya maso. Amemo yi.
Ebusamu obi akwaba. I True TV Ghana. Bomodi yan first time now, subscribe to the channel e dia mami. Ebusafo ora in fact kata chief FIFA men sa ba be din komo. Agona de se kronkron, wa ba be din komo. Na in fact bra kwa me din komo na se mo kan na say. In fact ora jon domani mahama enye na adwene say the term we so aso. The term we so aso le bi ni ba bi abim. E dey tin in fact can say bra kwa me kasa ana secretary chief FIFA say kan sa. The okay na say na so do pachi na say amendment a what tin hu a. And this for my reason person amend Ghana mamra no. Fine. They can amend. But to me imagine so amend there. Ora don domani mama e o 2 means or 2 terms. I basically this term yeah, which is the 4 years to come. If you say Ghana mamrano ma honkwan say president bia bi 2 terms. Na so per 3 terms are any HSS or amend the constitution and now the next government of no and no privilege. One 2 means or enjoy sa amendment no. It will not demand mama should take it off his head. And na dia be man honkwan. Na wachire ma chim say Ghana man pay bi baya no person bi bisa Emma owura asidu nketia so retia. Obza ano odin me so kam ho ni nkotie video na se hwe video ni ba ni ajebre na asem na tutu 1111 na odo adwenche so to comment section ma ajebre akinkan na dem I True TV Ghana yego membra
your friend papa is a chairman. I said, don't get here. So I call like touch. It should remind your mama. So we are going to say overstay. The same Ghanaians of yesterday. I did flew out. Yeah, better Obama ni biono. Wanna be enjoy. It's a war bano. You came on the basis of this constitution and can only be president for 2 terms. It will pass a constitution. Me anga say people bet me 100 times. Who effective? Nipa obebano ni ebe starting so. What the effect? If said the time that we swore you in on this constitution, so you are going to abide by the rules of this constitution. Exactly. At no material point can you say because one person will be president. Article 66 clearly it states it. If you go read Article 66 here, you read Article 66 here. Your Excellency, Article 66 is saying. Yango. Somebody say me chiro mo. You read the Article 66. Was it a president elected shall, subject to clause 3 of this article, hold office for a term of 4 years, beginning from the date of which he was sworn in as president. So, Your Excellency, you can only, per Article 66(1), be a president for 4 years from the time of your swearing in. That's what this constitution says. And it is this constitution on which you were sworn sworn in. What's the same constitution? It won't take retrospective effect. Abeyewie was say, a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Constitution when you swear in on. That constitution you say you can only be a president for 1 term, which is starting from the day you were sworn in for a period of 4 years. Now we are 66-2. Or see, a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. It took 4 years. 4 years. Thank you, Ghana. I appreciate you. Bye bye.
More fire. More fire.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Sa ade na mo tumu ni efa hegosi. Obi se obi ye bibi tia eye constitution no. Who can wo say any amendment. Eti omo ahyeria ma kwesi prempemo. Professor Kwesi Prempemu. So mo so mo be amendment. Now even amendment no kofie enye bibia na betimi amend. The framers of the constitution, they are so intelligent that they knew that a day will come we will have a power drunk person who will say that I want to go 3 terms. It will your majority said the enre nyumro mo kote ho no quick omo pass e na obetimi amend. It will move dividing into 2. Article 290. Yanko article 290. Article 290 I can pain say you were a friend of entrenched provisions of the constitution and non-entrenched and the executive the whole of chapter 8 entrenched. What it be beer buffer chapter 8 you are supposed to undergo a certain process and say yanko read article 290 Obia ni ho. Obia ni ho. Obia ni ho. Your mama ntimi international mama na adam. Obi yanka article 290. Was this article applies to amendment of the following provisions of the constitution which are in this constitution referred to as entrenched provisions. Which are referred to as entrenched provisions. So the constitution article 1, 2 and 3 the territories of Ghana, Article 4 and 5, the laws of Ghana, Article 11, fundamental human rights, Chapter 5, the whole of chapter 5. Now, okay, F or say the executive, Chapter 8. It is the whole of chapter 8, the whole of the executive, entrenched. Now, you read how entrenched provisions are supposed to be amended. It was the mama want me amended and mama nada mo. Deck Mumshia di binkam. President mama want me in your shade. We or see you are wine here, mammy educated. Or see you were whack money kuni comes here. Oh, Shiam Madaw. Money kwaku. There be a moose with Dimatem. And should read him. And Madawan Shia. Wakuma may educate you. I said the people can amend the constitution. Which people? Which people? If it's a chapter 8, as Article 66 a entrenched provision. And as obey amendment of entrenched provision. Yanka Article 90. Was it entrenched provision? 92. A bill of amendment of entrenched provision shall, before Parliament proceeds to consider it, be referred by the Speaker to the Council of State. So the bottom line, the long and short, ontimi amendation.
Oni hu to me bia. Oni hu to me bia.
Ontimi amendation.
Oni to me bia.
Oni to me mo bia nada no. Eti mo emana muti dwom no ayeda mo say mo meka say dwomama betini a standing ho. The bottom line is that Jomama cannot amend anything or amend the Ghana constitution. No, because the president be me for 3 terms or no one they all enjoy. The Baba next never enjoy. Asa. Your crown you mu be a professor and combine 1 straight term of 7 years. Who we are near my bye because you who say mo yet number 28 years. It's a motor one free so many panwa. No about no 7 years to develop. Now I'm more from so church go be.
Papa.
I'm a more phone. Church. Ebiani the year we. So when the man for any yamasu. I'm a more. Nana ye be money. Most of them the deal of yaba. Deal of it. Drum solabi. Ye levy. And ye deal of yaba. After
I was from common look at the chief family Sababi Dino. In fact, Asimo Ghana. Got a chief family or the seminar Baba Twabonte or say. Ura John Dramani Mahama da Roma. Oko first time we, oko second time we are. Dobayan say, Ghana, we thank you. Ghana for na medamase some shem no nyam to abama me ni mpire no so ma beso mawi na wa pe bia tena sumdwemle. Manya wa adwene se o try so beko tetem. Oh, it is all okay. Jeff Mensa ekase ya hwe na mama adwene akosi ba bi se ene no Roger Dramani Mahama nim die opeso oye ene more stars o sha so de nsa keka judiciary no if you say Mr. Kono to so a ebekwa ko ese obi entimi nye dey anaso de ontimi fa asem bia nye de enko ho asem no in fact emwa Ghana mamra no zero di kan de nsa keka sa office hono de ya ene na wonya ekwan ne de edem tin wodi kan de nsa keka wo de ya kwan na ba bedem to hwa ma me firi ho de ya ene obetumi de Ghana nsa kan Ghana mamra sa ma dwene yem busia because but emfa on ti ase say he said Ghana memu ho okatiji fa mensa kan ni mebi Ghana memu ayese watoka na ode petrol agum we ye de bewe in fact Kufuor buy say ya na memu tie na koyi Ghana fo ni je no Ghana fo penance because of that time ni agya Roger Dramani Mahama no be transform na mebi aye Ghana fo ampe na ho funu Ghana fo ene di hwi atulu boom boom edema Kufuor na Kufuor be transfer vitias Ghana Kufuor de hu no so da hu sese da no Ghana no start from Ghana for no so hu ye ene asa Kufuor wa meself amaga asa wa meself Ghana da wanye hwe ama Ghana da hwedi amafo tutu ya ayampe and this titi he can some children say the sebe Kufuor wanye hwe ama man no it will Roger Dramani Mahama me so be obi a wada Roma your excellency enkratu ne de ma wo sabo mo de hwe ne meyi na hofro Ghana fo a ebe yo sisini me say ebe yo sisini wa hwe ndisi fo na akwa nkodi line mu ntwa ba ma sa na tie ndisi fo na akaso me ndisi fo hwe mu nkodi line mu ntwa ba ma ti ada Roma bo mo de ya sen ka ja odi o mre wi a no ada Ghana fo ina ase medamase sisi one thing say that mo ye ne ma bibire o ba ye ne ma bibire Ghana fo ni jon yuru mfi uta eno aye ko ise ba bia keka kono ya ma ho ba fro Ghana fo ntem kura ho ba fro Ghana fo sisi kim asamato ara Roma